Are you tired of people doubting you? Are you tired of people not believing in your dreams and goals and telling you you can't do this, you have to do this, this is what works, It's tiring and I'm fed up of it. Do you ever feel like this?
What's up? Just came back from the gym. I had to let off some steam because I can't take it anymore. I can't. You have people telling me, do this, this is better, do that. You have so many people telling me who I should be, what I should do. I can't take it anymore. Whenever I get into an argument with someone that they tell me my dreams are too crazy or that I'm never gonna achieve it, I just shut up. But it's like, can you not expand your mind just a bit? You know, it's also funny. I was once called closed-minded. Me, the one that has the biggest dreams that I know of, the one that is so ambitious, is so hardworking. I'm closed-minded. Where other people, they tell me my dreams are too big. It's unachievable. That's crazy. I have to do the regular path. I have to go to the school, go get a job. What are you gonna do with a job? What am I gonna do? People have cars worth millions of dollars where people can't even afford one of their cars in a lifetime of salaries and paychecks. Does that not go into your mind and say, well, what the fuck? I have to work 80 years of my life to get one of 10 supercars that this guy has. Doesn't that make you think, maybe I'm fucking doing something wrong? Maybe not the traditional path is the best way. Because I do not want to be average. I do not want to have a job. It's pretty simple. I don't understand why people get so confused. They're like, what do you mean? Just go to school? What? I do not want that. Is that so hard to comprehend? I don't know. I really hope you watching this, you fucking understand. Like, you completely agree and understand with me that this shit, my dreams, my goals, they're not impossible. They're achievable. You solve 51% of the problem just by believing in it. If you just tell yourself that, oh, well, it's impossible, but then you sit at home, complain that you have no fucking money, or you sit at home and complain about the issues about the world, but you do nothing about it. All you do is sit, complain, go on the regular traditional path, and then complain why my life is not above average. Why my life is not extraordinary. Because you're doing an average life path. You're doing what everyone fucking else is doing. I'm just sick and tired of it. Because I've spoken to so many people and it just doesn't go in their head. So that's why, again, I make these videos, because I'm done. Like, I'm wasting my breath. At least I could put out my message to the world, or to you, that actually kind of relates. Not to someone who completely doesn't even fucking understand a single fucking second of it. Anyways, back to whatever. I'm fucking pissed.
So let me tell you a hypothetical story. You know, it never really happened to me personally, but let's say, for an example, certain people saw this board, this exact board, with dates of your goals and the steps that you're going to achieve. You got making money here, renting office, dropping out of school. So let's say, hypothetically, someone saw this board and they laughed. They said, drop out of school? Why would you do such a thing? They said, make $10,000, make $100,000? That's impossible. It won't work. You see, this is something that a lot of people go through, and I'm just sick and tired of it. People are oblivious to the possibilities of this world, and I just can't take it anymore. They don't believe in me. And you know what? That's fine. I used to be annoyed by that once upon a time. I used to care about what other people thought about me. I used to care that people doubted me and thought what I wanted was stupid and unachievable. I don't care anymore. I don't. Because back then, when I used to care about what other people thought, that's because I didn't even believe in myself. And that's why I would get so angry and frustrated. I don't care because I believe in myself, and that's all that matters. I will achieve that plan step by step to the fucking T. You watch me. Everyone will watch me. And I feel it. I already feel it. I visioned. I've already pictured in my mind the people with the face of, oh, I'm so sorry. I can't believe it actually worked. And just the face, the stupid face of just that regret. Because they couldn't just simply see my vision. And not only couldn't they see my vision, but they didn't even support. They laughed. They said it was impossible. But you know what? I will show you. I'm not fucking around no more. I'm tired. For years I've been laughed and said that what I do is stupid and what I want is stupid and what I want is unachievable. Only people that are lucky or small percentage achieve what you want. No. That's excuses. When people reach success, the amount of wealth that I want, that's not luck. That's here. They believed in it. I will prove the world wrong. I will prove the world who I am. Julian Tiscione will be a fucking name to remember. That's it. I'm done. See you at the top.